Hello, my digital planner friends. Today we're going to go over how to use stickers in GoodNotes. If this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Brandi Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners and digital stickers for Christian women. Let's get started with the video. All right, let's get started. We're going to work on learning how to use digital stickers in putting them towards our digital planner. There's a couple different ways you can do this. The first way is the sticker kits that I personally produce have a GoodNotes file. Then you also have an Elements file, which we'll go over in a separate video. This video is going to be just the other two ways. So we have the GoodNotes file, then we also have individual PNGs. I don't have them loaded, but you can load them into your camera roll and they would show up here. Or if you touched, let's say a spot, this would show up and then they would show up on this spot, on this as well. So I have opened up the GoodNotes file. This is the first sheet of the Grandparents' Day kit. There's the second sheet. And then the third sheet has where you can join our customer hub and shop now to 3 Nail Faith. So you have 3 sheets on all of our new, starting with the fall collection. The ones before that only had 1 sheet, but now starting from fall on forward, they'll have 2 sheets. 2 sheets of stickers. Okay, so how do you use these stickers? You've got this sticker kit, and what do I do with it now? We've uploaded it. If you don't know how to upload it, I have a different video where I can link that for you and show you how you can upload. So you want to make sure that your pen tool is turned on. You want to make sure that your lasso tool right here, you will click it. You will circle, hold it, copy, and then you would just drop it in to wherever you want. Now these are gonna show up very tiny. So what you're gonna wanna do, there is our rectangle that I'm wanting that to go into. So you're gonna wanna use this little arrow button here and try to get it as best you can for whichever direction. The current one I was doing was the sideways. As you saw, it was very distorted until I tapped the side of the planner, and then it comes in crystal clear. You want to next go to your image tool, tap, and I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell that it's a little bit wonky, so I'm going to use this to straighten it out. Now I am still inside my lines, and then I want to center this image in between the top line and the bottom line, because what happens when I grab this rectangle, it's going to do, see, as you can see, it's adding to both the top and the bottom. Okay, so I like that, and then I'll just tap to the side, and that is in place. So that's how you would drop. You can just, go to your lasso tool, copy. You could even copy a group of them if you wanted. Copy this whole group, copy, paste, bring them all, kind of get them as close as you can, one direction if possible. And you can, again, see it's very distorted, but as soon as I tap on the side, it comes in clear. Then you would want to zoom in and use your image tool, click on it, and put it in place. Now again, usually when they come in a little wonky. Just move this little circle here, and it will straighten out. Okay, so that's one way of using this sticker sheet. Now, you may be able to tell, but there is a little box on the side here with a line through it. If you touch it, it gives you a new window that says open in a new window. So now we have a new window, and we have split screen. Now, personally, I like to use this little line here and move my my sticker sheet. You can, again, make it smaller if you want to. Same thing with over here, just grab and make it smaller, or if you need to zoom in, you can. You want to be on, where is it? The lasso, there it is. You want to be on the lasso. And you are going to lasso and hold. And then you can drop it over. And again, just slide. Slide it in place. It's close, but not exactly. So we're going to come in with our image tool again. Shrink it in just a little bit so it will fit in our box. And again, center it. And there we go. Messed that up a little bit, but that's okay. Now, so we understand we need to be on our lasso tool, lasso, hold, and drag over. And then we can use this to make it bigger or smaller. Go to our image tool, tap, and resize. Okay. Now, what if, let's say, I don't have any in this particular kit, but let's say we had our Monday and then we wanted a date. So we're going to use this phone here as a date cover. And we'll fill it in and drop it. And I want to move this up and see how it went underneath. Now, the important part for this is, so this is considered a layered image. Say you wanted to, let's say, I'm going to do this. Make sure on your lasso tool, we're going to, I'm going to come over here and do it differently. Okay, so this can copy and paste, no problem, because this was copied after. But let's say, so we have our rainbow, which is not going to come off because you're going to end up grabbing both of them. Okay, you have to lasso in an area that is not connected to. I might have done that a little bit too fast for you. Okay, so say you have layered an image, but you decide after you layered it that you really don't like that layering. You cannot just lasso the rainbow and expect to be able to get the rainbow off. What you're going to have to do is come over on a section that's not by the rainbow to be able to move it off. Okay. So we have our rainbow, but I really just didn't like, say that. Let's pull in this one right here. It probably is still not a very good contrast. But it works for, sometimes it doesn't always drop right. So then when that happens, after you've lassoed it, tap it, hit copy, and paste, just like we did on the other ones. Sometimes I don't know why GoodNotes has little glitches, but it does. Okay, so see how we've now covered up? Because this was here first and then this one came in. Now, what I'm going to try to do is, even though this rainbow is here, I want the rainbow on top of here. And I'm going to resize it so it's nice and big. Put it in the center, but it's gone because that rainbow was there before this one was. It's actually not gone, it's just stuck behind. So if you really want the rainbow and you realize it and it's right here, you will have to copy, paste, and now your rainbow is there. Here's another good example of this. Okay, so I know I'm going to do a Sunday start. So I'm going to pull a Sunday start over. We're going to make it bigger. And I want to use this this pink guy. I'm going to make it where it fits. Okay, and now I want to move this over. Well, is it going to work? Let's see. Nope, because this was put in after. Again, you can copy, paste, and drop it in. And now it will stay, and you can write, say, your meals there. Trying to think if there's anything else for this sheet. Mainly the main thing is making sure you get your layering right. If it doesn't want to copy over, just by doing this, and when you drop it and it doesn't drop, just make sure you lasso, hold, copy, and then paste. Just like you did when we had it open on a separate window. It is very nice to be able to, again, you're gonna always see these are gonna be distorted, but as soon as you drop it, it comes in nice and clear. It is nice to be able to have the two split screens. You can just copy, lasso it, and pull it over. Okay. One thing I do want to talk about with my particular sticker sheets. Now, this is only on the sticker sheet. It is not on the elements or on the images on my particular sheets. I'm not sure how anybody else does this, but this is how I do it. On these, these are your hex color codes that you can use for this sticker sheet, which I think I just marked that up. So what you would do is you would tap it, hit edit, you could draw a line, hit copy, come over to your little pencil right there, and I'm gonna make it a little bigger so we can see this a little better. Your circle with the down arrow, tap that, go to custom, right across it, hit paste, and then this little guy right here, you can hit plus, and there you go. I've actually got several of them. So I want to remove that color and remove that color. So if you don't want all of these colors, some people like to have all the different colors, but if you only want a few colors in at a time, that's how you do it. You hit the edit, you tap it. Let's see, I'm gonna get rid of this green right here. Tap it and then hit remove color and it's gone. So each of these works. But again, it's only on the actual sticker sheet of my set. It is on the JPEG full sticker sheet. I don't know that very many people use those. I do offer it. And that just means it would be one whole sheet and you would have to copy, you would have to crop it out instead of it already being cropped out like these. And so that, again, that's the sticker sheets. That's how to use these sticker sheets. Say you want to join the sticker hub, you would touch that. Your thing has to be off. Touch it. You would hit yes. And that's going to pop up where you would, if you have not already logged in, you are going to come in and fill out this information right here, and it says get access. So you can join our sticker. It's our free customer hub for any of our customers, and it has freebies in it. It has digital stickers. It has a scripture writing. It has all kinds of fun stuff in it. You should really check it out if you're one of our customers. And it's super easy. Just fill out this information and hit get access, and you will be able to, then I believe there's another screen that will come in that asks for your password, or to create a password, so that way you can just log in anytime you want. And then if you have already done that, you would just hit your login button, and then you would hit login and then your password and log in. So super easy. And then this is if you would like to go ahead and shop for other kits. Let's see. So there is several different kits that I have to offer in the shop. The best deal you can get though is the bundle. It's a 2022 sticker bundle. So it's all the stickers, all the color changing stickers, any kind of sticker that I create in 2022, you will have access to if you purchase the bundle. So I will link this sticker kit. I will link the the bundle, the shop, everything in the description down below. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment and I will make sure I get back with you and answer your question. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these tips and tricks and any of the fun things that I have to show you. Until next time, talk to you later. Bye-bye.